Hello again, my loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a third quarter design team member reveal. So these are our June collections. So let's go ahead and start with Idyllic Woods. There's going to be a bit of crinkling, and then I'm going to put them into some other page protectors. I do like to use these, well, the crinkly ones for some mixed media, so we will keep those. All right. So now, if you remember anything from my unboxings, or you have got this collections or anything from third quarter, you know that their pattern paper is so cardstock grade. All right. So let's start on this side. So we've got our cover sheets, right? And then it has a couple little examples. It says, note our scrapbooking examples on this page. Note on our scrapbooking examples on this page, there are items which are not included in this kit, like cardstock, paper, leaves, and string, but you can purchase something similar from your nearest craft store. Every other item you see in the page are in this pack. So like the little twine and stuff, so, and the flowers not in this. Okay. That's what they're saying, so we'll look. And no waste packaging, so we've got this beautiful scenery here. I'm actually getting ready in a few months to go to North. I cannot believe it, you guys, if you were on that trip with me. Can you believe that we've been talking about this for almost a year now, and it's about to come to fruition? So goodness. So I feel like this kit will come in handy for that. So maybe we go this way, right? So you guys can see what we got. And then we have so you know they look the same, remember they're not. So we've got this one right here with this beautiful hunter green. And then this I love, like, so the B side is a nice background, subtle. But the A side is like a done layout. It's got some mixed media vibes going on. We've got some beautiful flowers, some stamping, some scuffiness. Love it. We also have this other very, very hunter green paper, and it is shiny, so it might glare a little bit. And then on this side, like I said, like it's like they make them. I know I say this all the time, so that they mimic each other, right? So you could almost have, you know, some double-side pages. We know I don't do double pages that much, so we're just gonna keep moving, pushing forward. We've got this beautiful wood grain here. Love it. It's got like little marks and stuff in it. And then another one of these pre-made papers. Oh my word. Look at some more of this with some texture on it. I am in love. Then we have like a diagonal burlap. And then on the side is another, I mean, it's beautiful. A straight on burlap. I mean, come on. Where else are you going to find such lovely little products? Then we've got a diagonal green plaid right into this. I mean, I can see myself fussy cutting this out. Straight on green plaid. Again, the artwork is just stunning. This is kind of wood grainy with like a little sandy. And some more of that plank. Same thing. And then the last cover sheet matches the back cover sheet. So we've got that. And then it comes with some cut apart sheets. Sorry. And then some like matting paper, so you can match your more cut aparts, another mat. Then you get some die cuts. So, I mean, seriously, you have got to go get yourself. I was on a crop in May. Seems like just yesterday. Haha. And everybody was literally oohing and eyeing over these papers. So let's get those put away. So that is Idyllic Woods. We're just going to slide it right in here and put it away, because if I don't, I'll be in trouble. Next up is news that this collection for June, and it is called Maritime Tide. So we have some other fun stuff there. Actually, even has a little thing that says bags are not safe for children under 10. Alright. Move this over here. This is a little extra piece. They also sell extra items. So here you go. Moving that to the side. Oh, look at the colors. Like a very, very coppery bronze into that lagoon teal. Oh my word. That is so photorealistic. Oh my god, I love that. Oh! This one is like a notebook paper, then blue. Love it. Oh my gosh, look at this, you guys. Oh my stars. I'm just kind of speechless. Like, I love, like, they've got like the little hand-drawn pieces and the watercolor and the text. Little ropes, and we get some sand. Sailboat into that really blue coffee stains. Oh my goodness, look at that print. That's very, very nice. Not a big person scrapper like that, but oh, bubble wrap. Look at the lighthouse. Oh my goodness gracious. Just look at that color palette. Oh. Oh, and then it's like distressed, so it's like, that's how I think. Brand new. Been around the block a few times. And then we have our cut aparts and a matter. Some frames here to make shakers and more matting. And then this one right here, which all I see right there is one big shaker. I'm just saying that's what I see. Alright, so that is that collection. And then along with that collection, I throw my paper on the ground. We've got Peoples are cutting grass outside. And by Peoples, I mean my husband. We've got these fun little added elements. Some more. These are called mini project sheets. So that, oops, disregard. There were other collections there, you guys. So this goes with the collection we just had. I did not realize that. So this goes with Idyllic Woods. We'll just put that in there. And then that one goes with the Maritime. So just some added stuff to play with. And that's it for June's unboxings. Stay tuned, and I will have July's in July. So I've got July's kits too, and I'm telling you what, guys, see if you can pre-order, do something. Be stalking these websites, because oh my word, that's all I have to say. Oh my word. All right, loves, I will see you later with another video.